Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. How are you all? I hope you all fine, enjoying your life well. Today we are hooking up a stylish and adorable baby frock designs ideas, crochet baby frock designs ideas. Get ready to create amazing garments for your little ones. Hope so you like this video and hope so you like all the collection and all the patterns ideas. In this video we will be making a stylish crochet baby frock using yarn and technique. How to crochet a beautiful and stylish and comfortable outfit for babies. Learn how to crochet all the collection. First, let's start with the foundation chain. Next, we will add the pattern and texture. To shape the sleeves and armholes, we will use techniques. You use many different sizes crochet hook and yarn and make all the ideas easily. If you want more information about how to knit the design and full DIY tutorial about how to knit this design and how to make all the patterns easily, so please tell me in comment section. I will upload it full DIY tutorial for you and I will upload it full detailed video for you. Experiment with different yarn color and texture. Try using different stitches, patterns or frock styles. Add embellishments like button, applique work, flowers, beads, pearls, shells, stones and many different accessories you use and decor your baby frocks easily. And that's it, your crochet baby frock is complete and ready to wear. If you want to see more ideas about how to buy this design, so please tell me in comment section. I will explain you full detail with step by step in my next video. You buy all the collection with different websites such as daraz.pk, AliExpress, Etsy.com, Clicky and my official website Be Patron. You visit and order your favorite design and order your favorite patterns and ideas. Thanks for stitching along with me today. Do not forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell to let my daily routine videos that I have uploaded daily for you. I have uploaded many different type of videos on my YouTube channel such as crochet work, baby booties, baby frocks, ladies dresses, girls crop top, skirts, full outfit, baby dresses, girls handbags, carry bag, home decoration ideas, home decoration things, wall hanging, bedsheet design, crochet work, flowers and many different ideas. You visit my YouTube channel and watch my more different ideas about crochet work and knitting work. Soft and comfortable, perfect for babies, sensitive skin, unique and handmade up special gift for babies. Share your finished crochet baby frock with us on social media account using hashtag. Check out our next more videos about crochet work and knitting work, different ideas, different accessories. Happy hooking. We will be seeing in the next video. Take care of yourself. Like all the collection and share with your friends, relatives and customers. Okay viewers, take care. Thanks for watching. Bye.